it's Amy again, and I'm going to highlight week 10 of December 17th's Fiber Gift. And once again, I have got a project with this, and as usual, when I do my projects with these, I actually love the yarn. So this one is a treat, and it is Croft Shetland. All right, this is 100% Shetland wool. 182 yards on a skein, very nice, a lot of it on here, and in bukus of colors. So we have solids, tons of solids, as you can see, many colors to pick from, more than you could pick from. Solids, tons of them. All right, and I'm gonna put these right here. And then to top it off, these are what I really like, because they have bits and pieces of flex in them, and they match pretty much well all the solids. So with these, they're going to be a selection of those, but they do cross over. So we're going to have those. This was another one. So with all of these, let me show you a little bit about these. All right. These are 182 yards. I said that. 15% off the retail price of these both, the tweeds and the solids. So the project that we did, of course, it was a scarf. You could easily do a blanket with this. It'd be pretty. We did it on a rigid heddle. We'll have all the instructions and amounts and whatever I did on the website. But what we did a little bit different, we made more or less a big plaid and used 2 skeins, 1 tweed, 1 solid. That was it. But I put an actual a slit inside of here, so that when this is around your neck, you can actually pull the tail end through, and it makes just a nice connect like that. So this one turned out really nice. Very easy to weave, washed up very nicely. I was very pleased with it. Soft too. I was thinking it was going to be just a little bit because it's Shetland, but it was beautiful. So with this, folks, I think once again, shop early, because this will probably go pretty quick too. The colors are just stunning. Emily's also going to put different colorways together, which I know most of y'all can't shop just with one. You got to buy 2. So anyway, stay tuned, because these are going to be a good one. Thank you. Bye.